Everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Please bear with me, I have a new setup, so I'm just trying to get to grips with some of the camera angles and to see what looks good and what looks bad. Just let me know if you guys like this angle. I'll try to fix it if not. Sorry I haven't uploaded, I've just been really busy with work and things like that. I just wanted to show you this makeup look from the Revlon Constellation makeup palette. That's what I'll be showing you today. So I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow first. Then I'm going to do the base because this eyeshadow palette seems to fall out a lot. So that means that all of the makeup will end up here, and that's not what we want for the final look. So I'll first do the eyes, then I'll do my base. It's a really great palette and I hope you enjoy the video. So bye for now. Wow, so this is really pigmented. I really love this color. It's very beautiful. So I'm just gonna do the same to the other eye, basically. And what I'm doing is just tapping the color into my eyelid. Wow, that blue is really beautiful. I love it. What I'm doing is just blending this into the crease just to create some definition and shadows. Now I'm doing the same on the other eye. And using the same brush that I used for the pink, I'm gonna go in with the purple and go over my outer corner just to give a little bit of dimension and shadows to create depth. My first impressions of this palette is that it's very beautiful, it's very vibrant, it has a lot of nice bright colors, and it's also very pigmented, which I wasn't expecting, which is always a pleasant surprise. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other eye as well. I'm going to go in with a bit of Mercury and see what effect that gives us. And what I'm going to do is just go out on the outer corner of my eye, just to give a little more definition, shadows, contrast between light and dark. So not too much, but we just want to create a little bit of depth. These colors are very beautiful, and I can say wholeheartedly that I'm very impressed with the palette. Very beautiful so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these sharp edges out because they seem to be quite jagged right now, and I don't want that. I want it to be smooth, otherwise it's not going to look very good. So just blend until you're happy with how it looks. It should look smooth. So next I think I'm gonna go in with Fractal as a highlight color. So what I'm doing is basically just highlighting the inner corners and underneath my eyebrow. This basically makes things pop, and it just brings out these features a little better and brings them forward. beautiful. It reminds me of a beautiful galaxy or something in space. Space and galaxies have always been very beautiful. I've always been inspired by them, so this is what this look will be inspired by. I absolutely love this palette. My first impressions are that this is amazing, really. For the price as well, it's definitely worth the money. Okay, so now that my eyes are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer, apply my foundation, contouring, blush, all the other things I need to do, and then I'll check back in after. Hi, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is how it turned out. So as you can see, the colors turned out real beautiful actually. I really love the colors, and especially the glitter. It looks so beautiful and I am so pleased with the outcome. And I would highly recommend if you like these kind of bright colors. They're really, really great. They're very pigmented. I've got some new and interesting content coming soon, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope that you'll enjoy what's to come. So I hope you have a nice weekend, and I hope you're all keeping well. And yeah, that's the final look. So until next time, bye.